Hey, Seeker of Self-Mastery, as you would know, it is day number 6, and I want to share with you a couple of techniques, couple of tools, couple of tips that you can use in order to get your message out into the world. Let's go. One of the biggest things that you're going to have to do as a mentor, as a teacher, as a absolute dead set legend in helping other people change the way that they think, feel, and act, is you're gonna have to share your message. Now, I know for myself personally, I've been caught up in this trap many times of, what the hell do I talk about? What do I do? How do I get it out there? And how do I be consistent about it? And I'm still going through this for myself. Now, I decided a very long time ago to do Facebook Lives over and over again. Every morning I'd jump up, and on my morning walk I would do a Facebook Live on whatever it is that I was feeling inspired to talk about that day. Then I went to shooting vlog style videos that were a little bit more fancy, and I would use my fancier camera, which is this one here, Canon M50, great camera by the way, and that was really good, but I found it very time consuming. What I want to let you in on is that your life is very interesting to other people. Stay with me. Here's a little bit of a behind the scenes look. This is the office at the moment. Obviously that is where all the work goes down. You would be very used to seeing that. Now, you're probably not used to seeing this part of everything, because at the moment it is an absolute bit of a mission to get everything done. I've got the air conditioner here because guess what? On the weekends they turn the aircon off. This is the office building that I'm working in, and if we walk all the way out the front, you're going to see this absolutely freaking beautiful view. Have a look at this. So this is the front of the office right now. What I want to let you in on is the secret of whatever it is that you're doing, whether you've just literally gotten your camera and you've turned it sideways, that's all I've done right now, and you were walking around your office, walking around wherever it is that you are located, you, my friend, are very interesting. You may not think it, because myself personally, I used to think, and even sometimes now, I'm like, God, my life is not that interesting, but that's not necessarily true. You think about what we've been doing for the last 6 days, it is very interesting and very powerful. What you want to do is stay consistent in being in people's mind. You want to rent and buy space within their mind in order to change the way that they think, feel, and act when the time is right for them. So what I would say for yourself personally is get very used, get very comfortable, get very close to making videos on your phone and posting them just for the sake of posting it. This is something for myself personally I've decided and I've dedicated and I've declared that I want to start doing more of, and not necessarily for the purpose or intention of getting the message out there and changing the way that people think, feel, and act, but more so for the purpose or intention of getting better with communicating and being comfortable on camera. With the day and age that we're living in right now, everything is going to start heading more so than what it already is towards online. And if you can do the things that you love to do online, you can be at a million different places at once. And I think that that's very powerful. So I wanted to give this a little bit of a video to you just to show you, hey, whatever it is that you're doing right now, if you can make it feel interesting, if you can just be yourself, if you can talk about whatever it is that you're talking about, the people that watch it are going to watch it. The people that don't watch it are not going to watch it. I think that is an absolute very profound thing to understand. The things that you put out, if people don't watch them, they're not going to watch it, and that's totally cool. You don't want to talk to those people, so to speak. The people that do watch it, they're the people that you want to talk to. So your mission now is to get your phone out, literally right now, get your phone out, turn it sideways, hit record, and just start talking about whatever it is that you want to talk about. Now, you can use the formula that you have learned in the training. That is totally okay. But I want you to just jump on and just start talking about whatever it is that you want to talk about for the purpose or intention of being comfortable on the camera. Go and do it now.